YouTube, this is Louis Luigi, aka LogicalWonderz, or LWG LogicalWonderz
Let's go.
Games YouTube channel. Today, just making this video to update you, let you know that Apple has an update to the iOS software. Just go down to settings on your iPhone, iPad, then go to general.
And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs, I'm hitting.
Click on software update, and there you'll see whatever updates are available for your iOS device. It's very important to keep your iPhone or iPad updated for security and bug fixes and updates and other issues with features within your iPhone or iPad. Thank you for your support. We appreciate you all. And if you're watching this as a short, click on the link to watch the full video. And go back and show this again. Click on settings, go to general, go to software update. Click on update, and iPad's come out with iOS 18.6. This update provides important bug fixes and security updates. It fixes an issue in photos that could prevent memory movies from being shared. Once again, thank you for your love and support. I appreciate you all. If you could please hit the subscribe button, you have subscribed already. And if you're on PC, laptop, mobile phone, cell phone, smartphone, you could please leave a comment. Comments and subscribing is free. It'll help my channel out. I'm on my road to 1,000 subscribers. So I can get all the features of my channel. Please help me get there. I appreciate you all. Wish you all a fantastic, happy, safe, healthy, prosperous, and blessed day and week. Thank you for your time, your love and support. Appreciate you all. Until the next video. Have a good night.